Being a critical facility, we have to see to it that the plant runs normally all throughout this COVID pandemic. To do that, we focus on two main points. First is the safety of all the personnel. Second is the continuity of the business. For the safety of all the personnel, we strictly follow all regulations and countermeasures imposed by the local government. In addition to that, we further do internal risk assessment and implement further countermeasures to make sure that everyone is safe in the plant. For the continuity of the business, earlier, we have already made ready all the parts, consumables, and chemicals that we foresee that we may need in the following weeks or in the following months. To further ensure that these things are available, we have done the collaboration with our suppliers and specific service providers to make them ready every time we need them within this COVID pandemic. Wishing everyone to stay safe and always keep a positive mindset. Thank you.